What's up, everybody? This is Jose from Sun Life.
And Katie.
Welcome to Panama City Beach, Florida. There's snow on the ground.
Yes.
We're gonna drive around town. What is that? Big old bagel looking. We are gonna eat our Starbucks during the video. I know some people get aggravated by that, but hey, you can always turn the volume down. When we're on the road making these videos, we can't even have breakfast. Every minute counts when we're on the road.
Yeah. And today I am having my burrito, and I get a double shot of espresso with ice in a venti cup, and then I pour a Premier Protein in it. I've been liking the cookie dough flavor, and that's what I have for breakfast every day. It's like 800 calories. It keeps me full until later in the day, which is what I like.
So, not normal to see snow like this on this part of the beach, but that's a scenario. I think we've decided on Panama City Beach. Pensacola.
Pensacola.
Which is crazy because I-10's closed down for much of the stretch. I-10 is closed, and so is the bridge in Pensacola. So we were gonna have to go all the way up to Milton, and then drive back around to get into Pensacola.
Eventually it'll be open. Yeah, they gotta plow all of it. And who knows how many trucks they got working.
Winter wonderland out here by the beach. Speed hump. Ah! This probably won't happen in Bradenton Beach.
2 Starbucks nearby are closed. Only one was open because I think it was in a gas station.
Lazy Hicks. Check out how it running. You said this is like the most snow-closed town's ever had?
89 they might have had about the same.
I-10's closed, the bridge is closed, so I guess we can scoot over there by the coast and then pull up Milton. In the water, cut across or something. I will figure it out. Water looks beautiful as usual.
Yep.
Temperature this morning was 22 degrees. It feels like it's warmed up a little bit though.
Yeah, it has. It's like in the higher 30s now.
In the 130s?
The 30s.
The 30.
Yeah, there's still like ice and stuff on the road.
Yeah, this is pure ice.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's no even stopping your car on this stuff.
Yeah, the Starbucks drive-thru was pure ice.
Water was gorgeous as usual.
You gotta remember, Starbucks closes at the drop of a hat. Except in Lakewood Ranch.
Bunch of wusses. This person realizes that it's pure ice he's trying to drive over, right?
Yeah.
Look at this crap. This guy's from New York.
Yeah.
He's a New Yorker. get around here now. A raptor.
Yeah.
Look at the color of that water. The sand looks yellow because it's next to the snow, which is purely white.
Yep.
Nope. We're sliding. Oh crap. We're losing it.
Slipping and sliding.
Not glide, man.
Slipping and sliding through the panhandle.
No videos. I don't really got many videos I thought they were. I thought people were nuts over this stuff.
Well, they probably are getting piled either way.
10,000 people covering the same story.
Yep.
Real. Instead, just Hampton Inn tonight. It was alright.
Yeah.
We didn't check out. Oh well.
Yeah.
They don't know we're gone.
Yeah.
We had pigeons on our balcony. Frozen brownie I've ever had. I am me. Midwestern people here. The Iowas, Minnesotas.
Yeah.
I hope they're enjoying their beach vacation down here. Good thing they came to Florida. Oh, this car's going way too slow. Step on the gas and pass them. The color of the water, wow.
You're bringing me back in the summer.
Got that bam bam down there. Okay, look.
Yeah. I have to prepare this bag for him.
Okay, this guy's going way too slow. Let me pass him. Any cops around here? Nice, good job. Right. Yep, mine's those on.
This is our own little world.
Do not put cream cheese on my truck.
Here's the bagel.
Don't they have like heated roads in like Canada?
Yeah, but this is like a once in like 30-year event, Jose.
Don't you ever use that again for that purpose?
Well, they didn't give you napkins, so.
I'll do something else. So cold, not even the homeless people are out.
I don't think those people were homeless here.
It's just like scammers, probably. I wouldn't know they're all a bunch of scammers. I know there's homeless people in Destin.
No, I think they just are from Alabama. Or Mississippi.
Hard to tell the difference.
Yeah. And I got the other side smeared for you.
They finished this roundabout finally?
Yeah.
That was possibly the worst word you could have ever used.
What?
Smeared to refer to food.
That's literally what it's called.
Spread. You spread.
Smear.
No, smeared is like if it's blood or feces or something else. Smeared is not a word you use
It's
for.
what they call it in New York.
You're not in New York and you're not a New Yorker. So don't smear anything on my freaking baby. What's the pepper?
They're just releasing water on the road.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm sure they know what they're doing.
Yep.
Sure you don't just want to go home.
Why?
I guess we haven't opened something in a while.
What?
We're really tight on money this month.
Okay.
Idiot behind us is like 10 feet from us.
Yeah.
And this guy's taking his deer time. Never thought you'd ever see a snow plow in Florida, did you? I got a Mexican out there running an Alabama shirt. I guess the further this way we move, the more snow we're gonna see. Okay, I can't be behind this guy anymore. To do with this person anymore. And I'm sure the guy with the F950 behind us doesn't either. So interesting thing, the person at the talked to somebody today who told I asked her who the best tipping customers are, and then she said Spanish people tip best. Ooh, flying. She said Spanish people are the best tippers. Okay, I can't deal with this person anymore. Every time you try to pass them, they like speed up, so they're idiots. Look at that, they're really disrespectful. Every time you try to speed up,
yeah. Old man,
old guy, stupid old man. Every time you try to pass him, he speeds up on purpose.
And I think the
guy with the F-450, he's gonna ride on him, yeah.
Yeah.
He's like riding on the guy.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, go figure. A Dodge truck
yeah.
guy, those are the rudest guys. He's like riding on the guy's tail. Just pass him. Don't be a jerk. If you're gonna pass him, pass him. Don't be a jerk. There he goes. You pass him finally. That person's absolutely aggravating.
Yeah, it seemed like they were doing it on purpose too.
Look at the color of that
right?
water. Wow. That's how Brampton used to be before the hurricanes and red tide and all the crap we dealt with.
Maybe it'll be nice this year.
I hope so. Got too big out there? Thank you, sir. That's what the speed limit is around here. 35 maybe? Is it me that's a little trashier up here than ever? I guess the snow gives it a trashy vibe.
Yeah. They do call it Redneck Riviera.
Not gonna lie, I think I like Brighton Beach more than here.
Yeah.
But during the summer, the vibes here do kind of get better.
Yeah.
Bradenton still has like an old people vibe. You sure you want to go home? Because I've had it with the snow. We saw it, now we're going to go home. Trucks behind us again. This is Dodge 950. I gotta say, Dodge truck drivers are the most belligerent drivers of any vehicle. accessible our beaches are in South Florida.
Yeah.
Like up here, like everywhere you go, there's public access beaches.
Yeah.
South Florida, it's like you can't go anywhere and get on the beach. It's always, you know, like.
Well, Bradenton is a little more accessible.
Bradenton's the exception. And since the hurricane, they've tried to switch things up.
Yeah.
Okay, there's clearly a lane you can just fly past me, and if you're in a rush, buddy. If you're in a rush, you can just pass me. What is the speed limit out here? Doesn't say.
No, it only shows you 0 GPS.
I think it's gotta be 35 would make sense.
We're making better time because there's less traffic. In the summer, this road is packed.
You sure you're moving?
You seem like a party pooper today.
Well, you haven't had to drive for 3 days straight.
Yeah.
You drive bad enough without snow.
True.
It's easy for you to say that. How far are you from Rosemary Beach?
Not far.
GPS. Rosemary Beach videos have done really well. Like literally, I don't think it's ever done a Rosemary Beach video that break the internet. Alright, guys, checking out.